Here I have MICROMAX Bolt Q346, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset by using the MICROMAX settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here we need to find and select the settings. So let me find here settings, then scroll down, and here let's tap backup and reset. It's under personal tab. So here let's tap factory data reset, and this will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps. So you have to be aware that you can also here tap the erase SD card if you would like to, but in my case let me leave it as simple as that. Let's just perform this factory data reset. Let's tap reset phone here, and to erase all personal information and all personal stuff, let's tap erase everything, and the device is performing the hard reset. So let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so now you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.